Hello, guys, and welcome to the second episode of ProdCast, where we'll be discussing more about advanced product management techniques. Yes, so I'm your host Pranshu, and I'm excited to bring you the latest news, trends, and insight in the podcast. Whether you are a long time listener or the first time listener, I want to first of all thank you for tuning in and joining us in this journey. In our previous episode, we talked about the basics of product management, and today we'll be diving into the advanced product management techniques that can take your product to the next level. Okay, so this session will be divided into 5 sections where we'll be take some baby steps to understand each stage with some relevant examples. First is defining your product vision. The first step in successful product management is to define your product vision. This is very important and crucial. This involves creating a clear and concise statement that communicates what your product is, who it is for, and how it will benefit your customer. This is very important, very important. Everything goes back, but this will stay with you. A well-defined product vision serves as a guiding light for your product development and help you make decisions that align with your business goals. As an example, let's take a look at Apple. Their product vision is to create innovative products that pushes the boundaries of technology while being user friendly. They have consistently delivered on this vision with products like iPhone, iPad, Mac, and they are delivering it. So this is very crucial metrics. In the beginning, very first step, define your product vision. That's it. Take time, make it happen. So the second step is conducting user research. At this step, we have to conduct a user research. This involves gathering feedback from your target audience and understanding their need and pain points. By conducting a user research, you can identify opportunities to improve your product and make it more appealing to your customer. User research can be done through various methods such as surveys, interviews, A/B testing, usability testing. The end goal has to understand the expectation of my end customer. So this is very important. So let's understand this with example. At this particular point, Airbnb is an excellent example of a company that values the user research. They have a team dedicated to conducting user research and have used it to drive product development also. They discovered that users were struggling to find right listing. So they introduced a personalized search result, making it easier for the customer to find that what they are looking for. So this was the pain point of the end customer that they were actually looking for and struggling for to get a right listing, which calls as a custom listing requirement, where I as a customer want to have some personalized requirement. For example, what's my look? This is particular locality for which I am actually looking for. This is a type of location which I am actually looking for. These are the amenities which I am actually looking for. I am looking for a place where I can actually park my car. It should have a parking also. I need internet connection, etc. So hence Airbnb understood this user's expectation and gave a complete custom search module. This helped the customers also to get the expected result in the product itself. So third step is prioritizing features. Once you have a clear understanding of your customer's need, you need to prioritize the feature that will best meet those needs. This involves assessing the potential impact of each feature, the resources required to implement it, and the value it will bring to your customer. Prioritizing features allows you to focus your efforts on those that will have biggest impact on your product success. Let's understand this with example. So Slack is a great example of the company that knows how to prioritize feature. They have a feature voting system that allows user to vote on feature that user want to see implemented next. So this system ensures that the company is working on the feature that user actually want, leading to higher user satisfaction. So we always have to focus on prioritizing the feature as per our end consumers requirement or need. So next is creating a product roadmap. A product roadmap is a visual representation of product strategy. It outlines the key milestones, features and timelines of your product development. A product roadmap helps you to stay focused on product vision, which is very important, and help your team to stay aligned with the product goal. So in this whole journey, you will find a lot of deviations, but creating a product roadmap will always help you to stick with basics, to stick with the milestone, stick with the features, stick with the immediate next milestone or next goal, which will help you to stay aligned. So the fundamentals of the product has to be very strong, which will help you to stick with them. So the next step is very important step, implementing agile methodologies. Agile methodologies are set of principles and practices that prioritize flexibility and adaptability in product development. They allows you to respond quickly to change in market and customers' need. If anything is changing, your system should blink. So that has to be a process. If anything is changing, market is changing, customer needs are changing, your system should blink, your priorities should change. The flexibility and adaptability has to be there along with scalability, which is very important. Agile methodologies can help you reduce the time to market, increase customer satisfaction and improve overall quality of product also. So that is a very crucial part. So let's understand this with example. So Spotify is a great example here. They have a team structure that allows for rapid development and quick iterations. So they are used to of it. They release small updates frequently, allowing them to respond to user feedback and stay ahead of the competition. So those are 5 key areas that every successful product manager need to master. By defining your product vision, conducting user research, prioritizing feature, creating a roadmap, implementing agile methodologies, you can create a product that meet your customers' need, drive business growth and achieve your product vision. Yeah. So guys, that's it for today's episode. We hope this session have given you some insight into how successful companies approach product management. Remember to use these examples as inspiration for your product management practices. If you enjoyed this session, please leave us a review and share this with your friends and colleagues. Don't forget to follow us on Spotify, YouTube and Anchor and join our social media channels to stay up to date with our latest episodes and news. Your support means the world to us. Thank you for listening and we'll see you in the next episode of ProdCast. Thank you.